Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Epson Expression Home XP/4200. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. We're going to connect it from the computer, then add it to mobile phone. To connect the printer to a wireless network, use side arrow buttons and go to Wi-Fi icon. The Wi-Fi icon is highlighting, then you select OK. Network connection settings, Wi-Fi recommended or Wi-Fi direct. So we want to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. So Wi-Fi is recommended. If you want to connect to Wi-Fi direct, then you use down arrow to select Wi-Fi direct. So we want to connect to Wi-Fi network, select Wi-Fi network, then select OK. Let's start setup. Connection via wireless router, Wi-Fi setup wizard or push button or others. So Wi-Fi setup wizard is selected, then select OK. Searching for wireless router. So it's searching for wireless router. The wireless router is found. Then you use down arrow or up arrow button to select the particular one. Then select OK to the wireless router. So it's showing us the wireless router and we need to enter the password. So to enter the password, you need to select OK. And the password section is highlighting red. So you need to select OK to proceed. Select OK. Then it will show you keyboard to put the Wi-Fi password. I have the information here. I have the Wi-Fi password information. So I'm going to enter the details. So use up or down arrow button to go to the information you want to select. Once you reach to the information, then you select OK to confirm it. Then you go to the next character. If you want uppercase, then you need to select uppercase. Select OK to uppercase. Then it will bring out the character in uppercase. If you want to lower the uppercase, you need to select upper arrow again. Select it again. You will lower it. If you select it, you go up. Then you go to the character again you want to put in. Then once you put the password, then you go all the way to OK. Select OK at the end. Scroll down to select Start Setup. OK. Will show you connecting to wireless router. Setup complete. Close. Then you select OK. On the Wi-Fi network, it will show you a blue color highlighting on the Wi-Fi network. Then you can go back to the home page. Start Fireware. Going to cancel Fireware update. You can perform update from Fireware update in settings. So select dismiss. Then you can go back to the home page. So the printer is connected to wireless network. Now I want us to add it to mobile phone. So to add it to mobile phone, you need to go to your mobile phone, go to Play Store, install Epson Smart Panel, or you scan the QR code, Epson Smart Panel. It's already installed on my phone. install this app or open the app. And also a leaflet that came with it. You can also use your QR code on your phone, scan this. It will still take you to Google Play Store or App Store to download Epson Smart Panel. Once you use your QR code on your phone, scan this image, it will take you to Epson Smart Panel. So open the app. This is Epson Smart Panel. Thank you for choosing Epson product. Then select next. Select next. Location, allow location while using this app. Searching for the product. And also you need to make sure the printer is on. The printer is found XP 4200 series. Select on it. Connection is complete. XP 4200 series. Then select OK. This is the printer and ink level. If you want to print document to confirm, then select print. Then select document, print. Then it will take you to your file for you to select the documents. Select this document. This is 2-page document we want to print out. Select print settings. Then select the range. Want to print all. Then select done. Then the paper A4, media type, plain paper, layout, bordered, print quality, standard, paper source, real paper tray. Print quality, can select standard or high, is currently in standard. And also want to print it in color. Print on both sides, long edge. Then select number of copies. Then select done. Then select print. Preparing to print the reverse side of the document. Do not touch the paper. It will show you printing complete. So this is how to connect the printer to a wireless network and print out a document. We printed out two-sided document from mobile phone with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.